Hi friends, this is Kirashama from Trading Discipline. Friends, today I have brought a new video for you. This video is totally on the request of my friends and relatives who ask me from time to time that how we can approach market or how we can start investment in market. So I have seen many people, they come in my contact in my last, we can say for more than 10 to 12 years of experience of market. So many people approach me, okay, and their problem is they are not able to find stocks for investment and they don't know the right time for investment in stock. Means they don't know how to invest. Okay. So looking at this thing, friends, I thought of, for a few days and after deciding few things, after studying few things, okay, I've decided to, make some points and that how we can start investing in market. And before we can proceed in this video, I would like to say that this video is for investors, okay, for people who want to invest money, put their money in market for at least 1 year. I would say at least 1 year, okay. Those who have their thinking that they want to bring money in market for less than 1 year, let us say 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. So I will strictly say that this video will not help you, and this video is not suitable for you. Strictly, you can say leave the video. Okay, so let us start how we can start investing in stock market as a pro with some knowledge of charts. Okay, so in this concept we need little bit knowledge of charts. Because see, charts are actually the ways that they are, we can say the records of the prices of different stocks. I would simply say in simple language, a chart is a, we can say, record of the different prices of the stocks from time to time. Okay, so I have put 10 things that we should keep in mind before before investing. So the first point is never bring any such capital in market which you need immediately. So friends, we should think in, that's why I am saying that this video is not for people who want to come in market for less than 1 year. Okay, because see, many people are there, they bring their money, hard earned money, okay, I would not discuss it much in that. But they think that we can put this money for 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year also. But sometimes it may be very, because market is volatile from time to time. So sometimes we may be in a situation that suppose we have put the money in market, but that's not giving us in profit or in going down. And suppose that money is much needed. We need it immediately. We can say within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So in that case, they will be in trouble. That's why I am saying that we should not bring any such money that we need immediately. Secondly, we should bring only that money which you don't need for coming 3 to 5 years or more. Okay, so we have to understand these things that we should not bring any such money that we need immediately. Okay, within 1 year's time. Okay, if you have a horizon of 1+ year, okay, even I will say that you can put some money. Okay, but not less than 1 year. Okay. Secondly, never invest lump sum at a single stock in one step. Okay, so there are many, just like it will also combine with the above points also, that people think that once they have got some money, that they think that we can put some stocks or in some single stock. Okay, they buy lump sum. Okay, and think that it will be increase or something. Okay, so that is also not advised. Okay, whenever you have to invest, you invest only 3 to 5% of your total capital in a single stock, and that too in 3 to 5 steps. I would say, suppose you have 1 lakh rupees and you want to invest in market, so I would say you can put up to 10,000, allocate 10,000 for a stock. Okay, minimum 10,000. Okay, maximum 10,000. Right, you can even go with 5,000 also. Right, so somewhere from 5 to 10,000 you can put for a one stock. But don't put that money in one step in that stock. Okay, divide that money in at least 3 parts or 5 parts if you want a safe, investment, right? And buy at one step. And if that stock gives some fall, let us say 5 to somewhere around 5 to 7% or more, minimum 5% I would say. So you can put second part of that in the same stock, right? So this way you can do a value averaging, a smart, averaging can be done. Okay, so the fourth point is make a habit of investing every month whatever surplus money you can invest as SIP. So we have to approach market as an SIP. That means every month you have to put some extra money, or you have to save some, part of your money. So I would say roughly we should save at least 10 to 20% of our total, monthly earnings. Somewhere around 10 to 20% we must save. And that money that you can save, so you can put that money in, good companies every month as a SIP. Okay. And the fifth point is always diversify your portfolio with at least 15 to 30 good companies. Okay, stocks are actually companies, friends, right? They are the businesses in our surroundings, and we should select some good companies, somewhere 15 to 30, and keep putting our money, hard-earned money in them. Okay, in steps. Next thing is check the performance of your portfolio after 3 to 6 months. It's very important, friends. We must check the performance after every 3 to 6 months. I would say at least after every 6 months we must check the performance. So if we keep this habit of checking our portfolio after 3 to 6 months, so we may get some stocks which might be giving us huge profit. Maybe our capital has doubled or tripled also. Okay, and somewhere we may have got some losses also. Right. So if we see that stock is good and the company is good, we can re-put some money. We can take profit of some stocks and put that money in some other stocks which are at low valuation. We can say discounted price, but are good companies. Okay, so we can do that. Profit taking is important. Okay. Next thing is never invest in stocks which are trading at all-time highs. So you might have heard, friends, that this stock is making higher highs. Okay, it's trading at all-time highs. There are different stocks. So I will strictly say for investors, these stocks are not good for investors. I will strictly say that they are not good for investors. Okay. I have few examples also, right? But I will not go in detail. Let me just tell you one example that recently I met one of my friends who has invested in Shipping Corporation Limited, a stock that is, and the person has bought around 90 to 100 in that stock somewhere around 3 to 4 years back, and the stock is continuously for that stock has made the high of 90 to 100 somewhere in past 5 to 6 years, and now the stock is trading at a price of 37 to 38. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that we should not invest in stocks at all-time highs, right? So we should search for good companies at discounted prices. Right? We should look for companies which are available at discounted prices, but the company should be good ones. Okay, right? There may be some stocks which are all-time at discounted prices, but they may not good. So I can name it just like JP Associates, Suzlon Energy, or even Orcam also presently. Okay, so these are some companies available at discounted prices, but useless. I would say useless. They're junk now. Don't invest in junks. Okay, right. So next point, friends, invest in well-known companies which are very much familiar to you. So you should invest in companies which you know. Okay, and always try to understand a company, a business before you put your money. Okay. Don't just do that. You think you have to be just like investing means you are now the part of the company. Okay, by putting your money, by investing in some company, you have to you become the, we can say, the shareholder of the company, and you are now holding that business. So think that it's your business now. So you have to think that which business you want to own. Okay, so I'm giving some examples just for making you aware that what are the well-known companies. Okay, just like Maruti Suzuki, it's a renowned car maker. Okay, then Dabur, TCS, and HDFC Bank. So there may be some banking stocks, there may be some IT stocks, or maybe FMCG stocks, or on motor vehicles, etc. Okay, so means before you put your money, you must know little about your companies. Then make a habit of booking profit of say 20 to 50% or even more. Okay. So once you go through your portfolio after 3 to 6 months, you might be getting some stocks are easily giving you 50% profit. Maybe your money has doubled. Okay. So you must make a habit of taking profit. Profit booking is important, friends. Many people invest in good stocks in good times, and the stocks might have given them good money, but people sit, idle, and they don't take their profit. And there comes the situation that stocks, fall back to their own levels of prices. or even below that. So at that time they become nervous. So make a habit of booking profit. I would say that 30 to 50% is an ideal profit. Even 20% we can consider. So book once, and if those stocks are available at discounted price again, so you can reinvest in same stocks or in other companies also, right? So this way we can approach the market, friends. So friends, now I will tell you how we can, what are the things that biggest problem is how to select a stock. So I will tell you about stock selection. In retail mode app. And friends, so before going to how to select stocks, I would like to say a few words with you. Actually, I have started the 1-year professional traders program for everyone who is interested in learning right knowledge about stock market. So friends, learning is very important part of our, we can say, doing anything. Suppose you're starting a business, so you must have some knowledge about that. So it's a program like this, okay. So everybody can join me in this program anytime, okay, because this program is for 1 year, and I'm not saying that after 1 year I will say you goodbye, no. So this program is on through private Telegram channel, okay. So from time to time I will share my lessons, and I have decided that at the end of every month I will conduct a webinar also, right? So through that webinar I will clear your all queries. If you can't understand few things, after every month I will conduct a webinar also. And the charges for this program are merely a small amount, 1150 rupees. I think it is not more than, we can say, 1 day stop loss of 50. Okay. Because 1150 is not a big amount for anyone who want to take right knowledge. Okay. So I have kept this small amount just to keep you people disciplined, because I have conducted various free webinars also, and I have taught many more things also, but people, they don't take it seriously unless they put some money. So this small amount is only to keep you disciplined, that you have paid something, and you must get something from me. Okay, that's why I have kept this small amount. So anyone can join this program anytime, because we have 1 year's time that we can start learning, and I will continue my sport throughout. Okay, it's not that after 1 year I will say you goodbye. No. You can be with that Telegram channel, okay, throughout, as long as you want to, okay, right. And those who want to, join this 1 year program, they can WhatsApp me at 9797382772. Friends, I will request that you can call me also. This is Kailash Sharma. I am Kailash Sharma from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so you can call me also, but I would request everybody here that don't waste time in asking unnecessary queries. Those who have doubts, they can go through my webinar session. I have conducted a webinar also, that what all I am going through. I am simply saying, friends, that you will be getting right knowledge, and it's a professional trader program. Means you will learn everything from intraday trading, short position trading, positional trading, investment, and everything. Even if you want options, futures, everything will be covered from time to time. So I will go through technical analysis, fundamental analysis, everything that needs to become a professional trader, so that you can make profit from the market. So this program is only for learning right knowledge about stock market. I am not going to sell any tips, or I will not suggest any tips also. Right? I just will give you the right way, the right education, that how you can make money from market. Okay. So those who have joined me few months back, now they are able in a condition. Few months, we have just started 2 months back, and now those people are capable of finding good stocks. Now they can generate their own tips. Right, so don't just depend on tip sellers. There are various fake advisories. Okay, they're selling tips. Okay, and they don't know the ABC of market. So why to depend on others? Why not become professionals? Why not become independent? Okay, so anybody who is interested in joining this program, she is welcome anytime. Okay, anyone is welcome. So my approach, I want that I can spread this educational program to whole country. Because I have met across various people, and they are losing big money in market by trading without knowledge. Okay, so without wasting time, friends, let us start to how we can select stocks. Okay, so I have told you 10 points. Let us just revise in brief. Never bring any money that you need immediately. Bring only that money that you don't need for coming, we can say, more than 1+ year, 3 to 5 years or even more. Never invest in lump sum in stock. at a time. Always invest in one stock only 5 to 10% of your total capital, and that too in 3 to 5 steps. Make a habit of investing every month, whatever surplus money you can. Okay, so you have to keep some, we can say somewhere around 10 to 20% of your earnings for investment. Okay, and always diversify your portfolio with at least 15 to 30 good companies, good stocks. Check the performance of your stock portfolio after 3 to 6 months. It's important, friends. You must check it. How is it doing? How much profit you are earning? Where is your stock standing? Okay, never invest in stocks which are trading at all-time highs. And search for good companies at discounted prices. Invest in well-known companies such as, which are familiar to, like Maruti Suzuki, Dabur, TCS, ITFC. These are examples I'm giving. Okay, and make a habit of booking profit. This is a very important point, friends. Don't ignore 10th point. Make a habit of booking profit. Okay, whatever easy profit you're earning, say somewhere 50%, sometime maybe your capital is doubled. So must book some profit, and you can reinvest that money again in some stocks. But profit booking is an important part of the investment, because you should not forget why we are investing. We are investing for making money. But if some stocks give you money and you don't take that profit, and what if in case that stock falls back to your price level, entry level, means all that profit the stock has given you, that is wasted now. Okay, so don't waste that money. I would say that money is wasted. You have lost that money if you are not good. So friends, how to select stocks for portfolio? So I am just telling you 3 things. First thing is invest in well-known companies from different sectors. Okay, so but people might find it difficult how to select different sectors and good companies from different sectors. So I will tell you how to do that. And next one is invest in companies which are trading close to, somewhere I would say 5 to 10% above their 52-week low price. Okay, means they must have given a kind of reversal from their 52-week low. 52-week means 1 year back. Okay, so 52-week low stocks, so those stocks have given a move somewhere around 5 to 10%. You can pick those stocks. Okay, so start putting your money there in small amounts, small steps. Right, and the last one is always check the chart before investing. So I have kept I have given you a condition. Let me write here what is the condition. We will use monthly chart and 10 period simple moving average. 10 SMA. Sorry, not 10. It's 20. Sorry, it's 20 SMA. Simple moving average. SMA simple moving average. So we should use this thing. Okay, so this is the point I am added that we should use some moving average also, because they give us a very good confirmation when we want to pick stocks on monthly charts. Okay, so let us go to our chart. So before going to chart, I will like to take you to investing.com site. So from where we can select good companies. Okay, so how to do that? Let me show you. So first of all, we will go to in Google and search www.nseindia.com. We will type this. So you can see here I have typed and some site is coming. So just click there. Let the site to open. So we have to select stock from this site, from different sectors. Let it upload. Okay, now our site is loaded, friends. Right, now we are in this site, NSE. You can see NSE. Okay, so from left side there is a second page that is live market. So we will go in live market and come down to, we can say, 7th this option. There is index. It is written index, INDEX. We will click there. Now we will approach to stocks section from different sectors. Okay, let it load. It is taking some time. Yeah, it is loaded. Now just click on the top, Nifty 50. You can see this is live indices watch, an index, and you just click on Nifty 50. click there. So you can select out of Nifty 50 stocks which are available at very good value, means at discounted price. I remember I am saying discounted prices. Don't forget my point, this point. 8th point, search the good companies at discounted prices. We have to look for this thing. Okay, we have to look for this. Okay friends, so we have to look for this thing. Don't forget point 8. Search the good companies at discounted prices. So let us go and see how to select. So I am going here on Nifty 50. I show you how we have approached this equity stocks. Watch. So you got Nifty 50. Okay. Now we have to see from right side. You can see in the right side there is a column of we can say 50 day percentage change. Then past 30 days. This is chart only. We will go to 365 day percentage change. We will go to this column and just click over there. We have to click in this part. So once I have clicked, you can see we have got some stocks arranged in the decreasing order. So you can see at the top there is a stock which is showing minus 46.81% return in the past 1 year. Okay, and the second stock has given minus 39.39% return and 38 and so on. So what are those stocks? Number one, the stock which are performed underperformed for the past 1 year, that is Tata Motor. But it can be a very good bet for investors because it is available at a discounted price, and you know everybody knows Tata Motors is a stock from motor vehicle sector. Okay, so everybody I think knows this company. So you can select this stock. Okay, and likewise we can go to, let me show you others. We can go to Nifty 50 stocks. Nifty next 50 stocks. So we have to pick stocks from the bottom. Means those stocks which have underperformed for last 1 year, and they can be, means they are available at discount price. First of all, we have to select good companies. Okay, now let us go here again. Now this time I'm selecting Nifty next 50. Again click on this page. So you will be getting, now you are getting McDowell's. Okay, this stock has performed, we can say its return is minus 81, means least return. Okay, it's very negative. And next is NISL. Then okay, so this way friends you are getting some stocks. So you can select those stocks which have not done very well, but we may have to see the charts also for the right entry, then we can enter. Okay, so let us go to, so this way let me just show you. We can select mid cap stocks also. Let us go Nifty mid cap 50. And as of time, you know, market has corrected very well, and you know it's the time for the investment in mid cap stocks. So generally try to stay away from small cap stocks. Make your portfolio with we can say large cap stocks and mid cap stocks. There must be more of investment in mid cap stocks. Try to build your investment mostly in mid cap and large cap stock. You can put some part, we can say total about 10% of your portfolio can be in small cap stocks also. Not more than, I would suggest not more than 10 to 15%. Okay, and keep somewhere around 50-60% in mid cap. Okay, and remaining 15% in the large cap, or even you can do 20% large cap and 10% small cap. So you can do that. So just click here again. So you can see DHFL as you know cost, it is quite down from long time. Okay, and BCC also, and this way. So you can see we have to select those stocks which are at the bottom. Okay, if we click here again, so you will get stocks which have performed very well. So see, Davis Lab has given 53.37% return, and Muthit Finance 52%. Okay, but these companies are at the top. Okay, we don't have to select these companies. Maybe these stocks, you know, stocks are normally cyclical and they keep cycling. If 1 year one stock has done well, maybe the next year the stock cannot do very well. Okay, and those stocks are which have not done very good in one time, 1 year, maybe the next year then those stocks can give good movement. Okay, so we have to see that, right? So let us just go and check the charts now. I will show you. Sorry, 1 minute. Yes. So let us just check the, let us go with the, so we have to select some stocks from this. I am not saying every stock will be good, but we have to select. And I am giving you a setup that if you use it properly, you can do very well. So I am opening this investing, you know, this, let us just type. There is a free charting site, friends. No need to put your invest and, you know, buy some software? No need. I have seen many people buying software in somewhere 50,000 or 15,000, 10,000. No need of anything. We have free charting site, that is www.investing.com. So this is a free charting site. You can make use of this site. So this site has come up. So you just open it. Let it open. Let me show you how can you select stocks from there. Okay, so you can select a country from here, from flag. Okay, so we will go here. A minute. There's a little, I think my network is slow. Yeah, now it's slow. Okay, I'm already logged in this site. So friends, we have to select, we have to go here in third page. Okay, first is market, second is crypto, and third is chart. So you go there, click on the charts, click on live charts. Okay, click on live charts. Okay, so let me show you how we can select stocks from there, looking at charts. Now, first of all, we have got stocks from different sectors. Okay, and then we will see the charts, that whether we should enter in stock or not, or what time we should enter in any stock. So we should wait for that. Okay, so just click it here over this point. So your chart will be, you can say, almost full screen. So we will just click on monthly, M for month. Okay, so just click on monthly. So we have to select monthly stocks on the basis of monthly charts. And we will go ahead in this page. There's the setting page, and then next is this sign. Okay, this is indicator page. Okay, next to this beam balance. So just click there, and you will write here moving average. Okay, so a moving average is placed. Now, what all stocks we have seen there? We have seen, just like, let us check the chart of DHFL. So we will type DHFL. Let us see the chart. Okay, we have got it at the top. Sorry, there are so many DHFL. Okay, so friends, you can see this is the chart of the DHFL. Okay, so let us see, let us go back to see the chart. So this is, this is 9 period, we have to use 20 period only. Because 20 period signals are very good signal. Otherwise, you may get many signal if you use small moving average. So see friends, let me show you that in past, this stock was down in some time back, and once above this moving average of 20 period, I am showing here, and you can see this line. So once above this level, so suppose anybody has entered in this range, suppose somewhere 137. So this stock has gone up to this level. What is the level? This is 280, 81 also. From where? 137 to 280. So means our it has given us double returns. Our money has doubled almost. Right? You can say almost our money is double. So whenever we get some good money, I am saying 30, minimum 30%, 20, 30%, that you have to decide how much money you want from the market. But I will suggest 20% profit is also good. So if you get 20 to 50% profit, you should take that profit. Okay. Right. So if you have not taken that profit, see what has happened. So once it has gone below, so you will, this is the time where you need to exit once. We have to follow this, simple moving average of 20 period strictly with discipline. So it's gone below that, we need to exit. Okay. So suppose we exited anywhere in this point, 200 point also. So we still have made some money. Okay. So let us do a calculation. Let us do a calculation. Okay friends, so let us do a calculation. Suppose you exited at this level. 1 minute. I think this is 200. This is 200. Okay. Suppose you exited 200 and so you will write 200 minus where you entered. Let us suppose we have entered at this price 137. Okay, so we will subtract 137 out of 200. So that comes to be 63 rupees. Okay, now we will do its percentage. So divided by 137. Okay, and do its calculate its percentage. So it comes to be 86%, friends. Means almost your money is almost double. Okay. So this is what I am saying, that once a stock gives you good profit, you must take that profit and take profit once again. See. Okay. So suppose you have taken that profit and see stock has gone below, so you need to exit as per monthly chart. Okay, I am telling you as per monthly chart, follow this setup only. Don't try to make changes. If you have knowledge, you can make changes, but this is for a layman who can read just simple things and don't know much about charts, so they can use this setup. Okay, so you will re-enter again in this level once it has gone above, so you can re-enter. So suppose we re-entered at this level, suppose somewhere around, let us say we entered anywhere in this range, let us say 250 also. Okay, so suppose we entered 250 and it has gone up to 670-80 level also. Okay, but from here you can see it has given a very big fall. So that's why, friends, I am saying that profit booking is important part. Whenever you are satisfied, see, even in this point, once it gone here 642 or so and again fallen down, it came to this level 488. So profit taking is important part, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. And as of now, if you don't want any risk, so this stock is far below your level of entry, you will not enter. But if you have knowledge of reading charts, you can understand the charts very well, then you can enter at this level also. But I am making this video for layman who don't know much about charts, but that can just open this side and check chart and follow this 20-minute simple moving average. Okay, so we should follow this thing strictly. And remember one more thing, friends, somewhere there may be a time that stock can give you some signals. Let me just go back. It may give you false kind of signal also. Let me just go back. I'm searching some other company. Let us just go with Arcom. Let us select Arcom. I will show you few stock randomly. You have to select stock from there, but I'm just showing you somewhere this you can get some false signal also. Let us see. So if presently if we see this Arcom, nowhere it has given us a bicycle, so we are not in a problem. But anybody who has invested in this stock, they are in trouble because it's near to junk in my language. Okay, I will say this is a junk. Let us just check Suzlon. I'm just telling you, showing you some stocks which have underperformed in the market in the past. Okay, so we have to select some stock based on this setup. This is a very simple setup I'm telling you. See, friends. So suppose you have entered here. Let us say, as I'm saying that you can take entry above this. So suppose you entered anywhere in this. Let us say you entered 15 level. Let us say or 20 level also, and it has gone up to somewhere 30-35 also. You have not taken profit and it came down to this. So always remember one important things. I will write it here in my Excel sheet also. Make it a point that you must exit once a stock, that I will add here as the fourth point, must exit from a stock when it falls back to your entry price. Okay, this is especially for those companies which have already done very bad. So from charts you can see, just like I am telling about Arcom, it's very risky. So let me show you, go to chart. So you can see it has not done very well. Sorry, Suzlon. This is Suzlon Energy. So any stock whose performance is not good in past, you can see, you can get to understand this chart only. On chart is telling you that stock has done this. Okay, so look at monthly chart will tell you easily, friends. So it can be risky, but if you still find that you want to invest in stocks, I would rather say that you should not invest in such company. But still, many people are there who invest. But if you want to invest this way. So suppose you entered at, let us say 20 level, okay, it gone to 35, so you need to take profit. But if you have not taken profit and it re-comes to your entry price, so you must exit cost to cost in such companies, okay, must exit cost to cost in such companies. But yeah, if you have bought some good company, okay, so you can average out that company at low levels also, but that should be a good company. So here we need to be very disciplined, right? So we have to differentiate between good and bad. So it's very easy way, and let me show you which companies are good and which are bad. So any company which is trading at much lower prices from their past few years, let us say from this company has started its journey from, I am talking of Suzlon Energy. So it started its journey from 121 level in the year 2005. Yeah, it is 3rd of October, maybe somewhere 3rd of October 2005. So from that 125 level, 121 level somewhere, it has gone up to which is the high made somewhere around, yeah, high made is 459.80. That is the high. And now this stock is trading at a price of, what is the current price? 6.90. So you can easily identify which company is good. So at all time, and see, if you look at the all time, only this part, only one part of the chart is there that has shown you a very good return, but otherwise it has given very bad returns to investors. So this is a very clear, way to identify good and bad companies. Now let me show you some good companies. Let us just type Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland. Okay. I'm just randomly telling you. Or even I will show you Tata Motors also. So let us go back to its history. So see, this stock started from this level, once gone down also, but turned back. See, it once gone there. Okay, from somewhere, suppose you have entered in this level also. Let us say 4-5 level also. You have entered suppose 5. Okay, it has gone up to 14 once and then came close but did not break this line. Okay, you can once exit at this level also 9. It's not a bad. Almost double profit. Money is double. 4 to you can say 9 is money is double. So just keep a few things in your mind. Again, it has gone to this level. Okay, then fallen back. So you need to take exit at this time. Again, enter at this time. So this company, if you compare with Suzlon Energy and Ashok Leyland, you can easily understand this company has done very well in past also. So see this level also. So suppose anybody has entered about 15 or so, let us say 20 also, it has gone up to 40. So money is double, so you take profit and then again fallen back. So that's what I am saying, friends. Whenever we get somewhere 20 to 50%, okay, so we should be sorry, satisfied with that profit and take profit once. Okay, and it's not done in just 1 year. I think it has taken 1 year. Okay, so it's 1 year. Your money is doubled in 1 year. That's not a bad return. Okay, it's very important. Profit booking is very important. And then again gone down. So you will do nothing until it takes support of this 20-period single moving average. So you can re-enter. Suppose anywhere you entered in this beginning part. Okay. So suppose you re-entered in this level somewhere. Let us say 30 level. You entered and stock has got 130. So again we can say given 3 times return. But this is the time you need to take exit. Now it's again entered somewhere 100. Let us say it gone to 167. So again almost we can say 80% return is given. Let us say 60% return is given. So it's not bad, friends. Take profit. So make a habit of taking profit. So see, it's again gone below. So currently, if you have right knowledge of market, if you understand things, so you can enter at current level also. I would say, and it has made a support here. Okay, you can take with this support as a stop loss. But if you don't know more about market, so you can simply follow this moving average. So currently it is showing 119, but with the time, as the months will pass, it may come down to maybe 110 or so. It may come down also because as the time passes, the chart keeps moving. So these moving averages also come close. So maybe currently it is showing we should enter about 119.20, but with the passage of time, maybe in 1-2 months or 3 months, it will be showing you entry around 100 also. Maybe I'm just guessing it, but at that time, whenever you enter, you should follow that you will enter only when, see, just like this. You have to enter only when it gives right entry. Means what you need to check is currently look at the moving average showing 119.94. So if your price is above that, let us say about 10 rupees above that, so you can invest 5 to 10 rupees above, you can invest. Let me show you one more stock, that is PC Jeweler. Okay. This is what I am telling you how can read charts. So see, it has given nice entry above this level in past. From this level, let us say we enter somewhere 70 or let us say even 80 also. 80 level, okay, it has given us good return. 238, 36, again came here, okay, but did not block this line, so you will still be in position. Okay, again this level, so you can take one set profit. So friends, we have to understand this thing, right? And if you want more knowledge, I am telling you that I have started a program, so you can join my one year program for learning more knowledge about stock market. So with this note, hopefully friends, this video will benefit a lot more of my friends, and it's my Holi gift. Today is Holi. I am making this video on 21st of March. So today is Holi, okay. So I am gifting this video to all my friends who follow me, okay. And thanks for your love, and always welcome your comments and if you want any such videos. Friends, I will strictly say, if you want to learn, join this one year program. It's a wonderful program. All those who have joined me in within just 2 months time, now they are capable of finding stocks for investment. They're in that position within 1 month or 2 months only. So join this program. You will, I would say, you will be, thankful to me, because you will be, learning things. So you will enjoy learning. So with this, I am closing the video. Thanks.